How, when and where? How important are dates? Earlier, history was synonymous with dates. History is about finding out how things were in the past and how things have changed. Previously, history was an account of battles and big events such as the year a king was crowned, the year he was married and had a child, the year he fought a particular war or battle, the year he died, the year the next ruler succeeded to the throne. Now, historians look more towards why and how things happen and not on when things happened. Which dates? The dates we select become vital because we focus on a particular set of events as important. If the focus of study changes, a new set of dates will appear significant. British classification of Indian history. In 1817, James Mill, a Scottish economist and political philosopher, in his book A History of British India, divided Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, British. Another classification of Indian history. Historians have usually divided Indian history into ancient, medieval, and modern. Because this periodization is borrowed from the West, where the modern period was associated with the growth of all the forces of modernity: science, reason, democracy, liberty, and equality. Medieval was a term used to describe a society where these features of modern society did not exist. Many historians refers British rule period as colonial because in this rule, people did not have equality, freedom, or liberty. No economic growth and progress took place. What is colonial? The British came to conquer the country and established their rule, subjugating local Nawabs and Rajas. British rule brought about in values and tastes, customs and practices. When the subjugation of one country by another leads to these kinds of political, economic, social and cultural changes, we refer to the process as colonization. Administration produces records. The official records of the British administration are one of the important sources. Every instruction, plan, policy decision, agreement, investigation was written, as British believed that the act of writing was important. British set up record rooms attached to all administrative institutions as they felt that all important documents and letters needed to be carefully preserved.